Welcome back to Learn English with us. Hi, Steve. How are you today?
Hi Maya, I'm great, thank you. Today we'll learn something colorful and fun. Colors and simple adjectives.
Finally, I love colors. They make everything easier to describe.
Exactly. When you know colors and adjectives, you can describe anything. A person, a place, or an object. Let's start with the basic colors. Repeat after me slowly. Red, blue, green, yellow, orange, purple, pink, black, white, brown, gray.
Those are easy to remember.
Yes, and we see them everywhere. Now let's use them in short sentences. The apple is red. The sky is blue. The grass is green. The sun is yellow. The carrot is orange. The flower is purple. My phone case is pink. My shoes are black. The wall is white. The table is brown. The cat is gray.
It's so satisfying to imagine every color while saying it.
Exactly. Colors help you connect English with real life. Now let's play a game. I'll say an object and you tell me the color. The sky.
Blue,
Banana.
yellow,
Snow.
white,
Coffee.
brown,
Night.
black.
Perfect. And you watching, say it out loud too. Speaking trains your memory. Now let's talk about light and dark colors. Repeat after me. Light blue, dark blue, light green, dark green, light brown, dark brown.
Oh, so we just add light or dark before the color.
Exactly. Easy rule, right? Now let's use them. I like light blue jeans. The forest is dark green. The table is dark brown. The sky in summer is light blue.
That's so natural.
Yes, it makes your English sound more complete. Now let's add some common adjectives, words that describe people or things. Repeat after me. Big, small, tall, short, hot, cold, happy, sad, fast, slow.
These are fun to say.
Now, examples. The elephant is big. The mouse is small. The man is tall. The child is short. The soup is hot. The ice is cold. She is happy. He is sad. The car is fast. The turtle is slow.
Simple, but so useful. You can describe anything with these.
Exactly. These are the building blocks of English. Let's do a quick game. I'll describe something. You guess it. It's small, gray, and it runs fast.
A mouse.
It's big, gray, and slow.
An elephant.
It's yellow and hot.
The sun.
It's blue and cold.
The ocean.
Perfect. You're improving fast, Maya.
Thanks. I love this kind of challenge. Let's try using colors and adjectives in a real conversation.
Good idea.
Hi, Steve. What color is your car?
It's black. What about yours?
Mine is white and very small.
Law small, but beautiful, right?
Of course. And your car, is it fast?
No, it's slow but strong.
Nice. My car is fast but noisy.
That's how you describe things naturally, with color plus adjective.
So like, my bag is red and heavy, or my phone is black and new.
Exactly, you got it. Let's practice both together. Repeat after me. The red apple is big. The blue car is fast. The green tree is tall. The yellow flower is small. The white cat is happy. The black dog is slow. The brown table is old. The pink dress is beautiful.
I love how it sounds like a story.
Yes, describing things makes English come alive. Let's review everything we learned today. Colors red, blue, green, yellow, orange, purple, pink, black, white, brown, gray. Adjectives: big, small, tall, short, hot, cold, happy, sad, fast, slow.
So now I can say things like, the blue sky is beautiful, or the small cat is cute.
Exactly. Your challenge for today: describe 5 things around you using a color and an adjective.
For example, the white mug is hot. The green plant is tall.
Perfect. You're already doing it.
If you liked this lesson, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe.
And remember, colors make your English brighter.
See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.